Hey everybody, this is Nathan Turner with Turner Auto Group here in Opelika, Alabama. We've got a gorgeous 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. Absolutely stunning truck. Love the color on this thing. It is a light kind of chalk steel gray look. Absolutely beautiful color. Nice brand new Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires on it. We're going to do a full walk around on this one. I'm going to go over some of the features that you get with the TRD Off-Road on the outside. We'll dive on the inside. I'll go over some of those features there, and then I'll tell you how to find us and this truck online. So let's start right up front. Nice, huge, bold grille with the Toyota logo right there, front and center. You do have the bug guard on there with the black opaque decal on the hood. I like the look at that. It makes it look very sporty. Pretty cool. That is removable very easily, but I like it. It adds a little bit to the front of this truck. You do have the daytime running lights. If we come up here close to the headlight, I'll show you at the end when they're lit up, but they're basically right here. They go just to the outside of that projector headlight and under. Fog lights down below. Very nice use of chrome, not too much, but still looks very elegant and sporty at the same time. So coming around the side, you get those beautiful 18-inch wheels. I believe those might even be 17s. Let's go a little closer here and let's take a look at these new tires. You see that? Plenty of tread left. These things are phenomenal. If we go down, that is actually a 16-inch. They look a lot bigger than that. So the TRDs come with the 16-inch wheel. Obviously for off-roading, that makes sense with that big all-terrain tire. Tacoma is blacked out on the side of the truck, as you can see right there. Running boards down below. Mirror caps on this one are painted the same color as the truck. Coming around to the back, you've got the nice backup camera, the Tacoma blacked out back there, as well as a nice big grab handle for the bed. Towing capabilities down below, and all of your hookups right there. LED rear tail light with the normal backup light. Toyota exhaust tip down there at the bottom. It's got a nice sounding exhaust to it. There's a better look at that rim. But just look at this color. They're absolutely beautiful. Really pops in the sunlight. Very nice. TRD Off-Road 4x4. Let's go and open this door. WeatherTech's throughout this, front and back. Seats are in fantastic shape. No rips, no tears, nothing like that. Dashboard's in very good shape. This was not a work truck by any means. This was a weekender truck. Just hobbies every now and then, but mainly just used for driving back and forth to work. But you do have normal AC. You've got the push button start, four-wheel drive buttons, everything like that. Over on the door, soft touch materials in the back of it. And then you do have your lock and unlock buttons with your window button up front. So rear seat, you've got the WeatherTech mats back here. Very nice seating positions back here. Not a ton of room in this. You do have room for car seats and I'll just tell you right up front, if you've got reverse facing car seats, it's gonna be tight. I'm not gonna lie. You need to go to a full-size truck. If you do not, and you've got the kids that are forward-facing, you can make this work very easily. Plenty of room, for sure. So you do have under-seat storage. I'm gonna show you on the other side, because once you pull this one up, these connectors right there for the seat belt get stuck underneath the seat, so it's a lot more work. So I'll run around the other side, and I'll show you that in a minute. soft open tailgate. Bed's in decent shape. It does have some scrapes and scratches, but I love the fact that Toyota does this. It is fully lined anyway. You don't have to worry about it really of hurting the truck. Just that plastic lined bed liner is fantastic. You do have your outlet back here. One compartment just over there beside that. Tow hooks front and back, but you also have the rail system, as you can see, that's going down both sides of the bed, and you do have some connectors to those. Those are kept inside the truck. It seems to be like that is the first thing that goes missing if you leave them in the truck overnight on a used car lot. So we keep them inside. All right, so we'll open this back door. So you do have carpet mats for this one and the WeatherTech mats. So however you like, you've got two different options. So seats do go down. Seats will fold completely flat. The back will go down as well. But this compartment right here, as you can see, we've got a couple things underneath here. So you've got a front tag bracket in there, and then you've got some of the, like I said, the rail system that's underneath the other side with the jack and tire changing and everything like that. So let me get these seat belts to stay over there like that. Close it back down. Now let me show you one thing before we get into it. So the key is in my pocket. Truck is unlocked right now. You got those two little lines. You just place your finger right there. Truck will lock up. You walk away, no big deal. You're coming back, you don't have to do anything other than grabbing the door handle. As soon as you grab the door handle, it'll unlock and you get right in the truck. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. No power folding mirrors, but you do have the power mirrors. Over here to the left, you do have your automatic high beams and your tailgate or bed lights. Over there in the center, that 400 watt and AC volt, that button actually controls that rear plug that I was showing you. So if you want that rear plug to work, you have to click that button. So down here, you do have the nicer Tacoma TRD floor mats. Those are brand new. Those were not used by the previous owner. He used the WeatherTech, so those are 100% ready to go. And then WeatherTech's cleaned up very good. So no issues there. All right, let's go ahead and hop in. All right, so foot on the brake, hit the start button. Fires right up, no problem whatsoever. Typical Toyota. So this is a 2019 model. Turn that radio down a little bit. 2019 with 51,704 miles. Almost 52,000 miles. Still under factory warranty on this one. We do offer extended warranties. We've got a very good company, finally, after 15 years, finally found a good company that we use, which is a blessing to take care of my customers. That's a very hard thing to find in our business, is a warranty company that you can really stand behind. So very nice that we have them for sure. Right side of the steering wheel, you do have your controls here that you can mess with all the screens up top. You do have your cruise control, adaptive cruise control button there. You do have your lane keep assist button right there. On the left side, you do have your Bluetooth controls there, along with channel changer and volume and your voice controls right there. Cruise control is right down there where every Toyota has been for the last, Lord, 20 years, basically. So I love how Toyota keeps everything. They know it works. They know everybody just, it's just old faithful, basically. So they keep it pretty simple. Nice big screen here, all full touch screen. So you do have your audio button here, brings up your Bluetooth audio, iHeart, XM radio. You do have YouTube or USB capabilities, auxiliary and CD. I believe we've got some more. If we click, you've got Alexa and all that. If you hit apps, you've got your navigation screen, goes to you right there. Audio, phone, messaging, setup, weather, traffic, the whole deal. And you got a couple more if you keep on going. So very nice system here. If you hit the home button, it'll give you your clock, radio, and navigation, and you basically can hit those quadrants to bring each one of them up. So for example, if we hit navigation, it'll bring that one up. You hit home again, hit the top for the radio, it brings that one right up. Putting it in reverse, you got the nice backup camera. You do have the guidelines, but as you turn the steering wheel, they do not move. But it's still nice to have the guidelines as you get closer and closer to something. Obviously, when you get to that red line, you're about a foot away from something. So that basically, you'll want to stop at that point. So just below that, you do have your push button start, 4-wheel drive system, very easy turn. You do have 4 high, 4 low. Here you've got your fan speed for the temperature, which I need to go ahead and cut that on. It's getting pretty warm in here. And then you do have the mode setting over here with your in-cabin circulation. So down from here, you've got your external power. That's also, I believe that actually might be for that rear control as well, that rear plug. You do have your sliding rear window. These Tacomas for so many years were manual. Thank goodness now they are full slide. The manual is a lot better when you could actually reach it. But now, being the nicer crew cabs with a little bit more space, it's not as easy to reach. USB and auxiliary hookups, and then you do have the charging button, so that turns this area right here into a charging pad. So all you have to do is set your phone down, it'll charge it up automatically, no problems at all. Just back from that, you got 2 nice big cup holders. Let's go ahead and put this back in park before I forget. And what I like, I hate a foot pedal emergency brake, and I don't like the electronic ones even more. So I like this one. It's just a pull emergency brake right there, short and sweet, very simple. You throw it in park, pull that up, you're good to go. Just back from that, you got another cup holder and then some storage space right there. So very nice seating position here as you're looking out. Good, nice commanding view straight over the hood. You don't sit in a hole or anything like that. Some of the previous generations of the Tacoma, especially the ones without the power seat, which this has a manual seat, you couldn't get this seat really adjusted how you want it. With this one, you definitely can. Just up from here, you do have your off-road controls and everything like that. You do have your crawl control. You do have your traction control off button, rear lock, everything like that. So very nice. This has to have amazing off-road capabilities. But a very nice system. And one thing we do have to have is the volume control. But very nice. You can adjust the sound. So if we had it on a station that didn't have static on it, that would be nice too.
For caring, compassionate. We were on the 12.
So nice and clear, very simple, very easy to use. Full touchscreen there. So I am going to cut these headlights on. Actually, I shouldn't have to. We got the daytime running lights on, so we're good to go there. Car's in park. Let me show you this real quick. So center console, you've got all those cup holders that I was showing you. You've also got 2 cup holders there for the back seats, front and center. And then you've got 2 in each door. So cup holders galore in this thing, which is super, super nice. Keys in my pocket. That's why the car is beeping at us. But right there you can see that daytime running light. So very nice. Left side's a little harder to see because of the sun. But right next to that projector headlight, those are always on during the day. And then you got the projector headlight, the nice, just normal blinker. It's not an LED or anything like that. And then you've got your normal halogen fog lights as well. But beautiful truck, 2019 Toyota Tacoma. I mean, this is one of those old faithfuls. You can drive them as a parent. When they get a little miles on them, you can give them to your kids to go away to college in. You know they're going to be safe. You know they're going to have a dependable vehicle. I mean, this is one of those trucks, just like the 4Runner, just like some of the Tundras, everything like that. Toyota's just is that kind of brand that is just a passed down vehicle. You know it's going to be in the family for years, and you know it's just going to be that dependability that you're looking for. So this is a 2019, 51,000 miles on it. Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful color combo, everything. Check us out online at TurnerAutoGroupLLC.com. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and hey, you're already watching this video on YouTube, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and the bell. It will alert you when we add new inventory to the lot. That way you can kind of just see what we keep, the kind of cars we keep, how clean they are. Very picky. We are a Carfax certified dealership, so I'm actually the owner here. I run it by myself. So if we've got a car out here, it is handpicked by me. We do not do auctions, so everything is 100% as it should be before you drive off the lot. But check us out again, TurnerAutoGroupLLC.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and we will see you on the next video. Drive safe.